Well, YouTube, I'm attempting to go for a ride. I'm kind of short of breath right now. Dealing with my condition is not fun. Haven't ridden for about a week again. It sucks. It's fucking Thursday, May something or other. It's like getting close to 7 o'clock at night, evening, afternoon. I can't even get on the bike, man. Jesus Christ. I don't know if I can do this. Oh my God. I was watching e-bike videos on YouTube and got motivated to go out here to ride my bike, but now I don't even know if this is going to work. Oh, shoot. Damn, I can't. I don't know, dude. Maybe once I get started, I'll feel better, or maybe I'll feel worse. I don't know. I should be pretty calm though. I got anxiety medication in my system, so let's go try to ride for a little bit. I'm not even wearing socks, man. I mean, sitting down should be easier and more comfortable anyway for me. You ever get so dirty that you feel smelly? I know I am smelly because I really need to take a shower or do something, but like I feel smelly. Anything really interesting to talk about. Just more or less cruising around out here, taking my time, doing neighborhood stuff. It's going to be a while before I venture far away from home. I just don't feel comfortable with how I'm doing riding far away from home right now. I picked the bright sunlight in my eyes kind of time of day to go for a ride. I figured as much when I started getting dressed to go that I'd be getting blinded a little bit today. You know, I've noticed my e-bike, my motors are kind of loud compared to other people's videos I watch. But I am using dual motors and I am pretty much just mashing my throttle, so it kind of makes sense. I slept like all day. I went to sleep at like, I don't know, 5 this morning, 5, 6, just when the sun was coming up. I fell asleep and I woke up around 10 o'clock. Got up, started doing my usual survey stuff. Stayed up for probably like 4 hours. I think, yeah, about 2 o'clock I went back to sleep and I just woke up like maybe half hour ago. So, oh hey, look, I'm back on Marshall. So yeah, I'm just groggy, tired. I am breathing a little bit easier. I think I may have gone on a dead end. Wait, where am I at? I don't know where I am. Am I on a dead end road? Did I turn up the wrong freaking road? Yeah, I did. I totally did. I'm gonna have to go one more down. Alright, that's cool. I'm not shooting up to the park today. I don't feel like going that far out. So I'm all bummed out, if you can't tell by my voice. I bought all this damn groceries thinking I was getting better, and turns out like half the stuff I bought I can't even eat. So like I don't know what I'm gonna do. My diet is extremely limited because of this condition. I can't eat anything inflammatory. I have to watch out for acidic stuff, make sure I don't get really bad reflux or anything. Basically it's like a twigs and berries diet, like lean everything, and fruits and vegetables that don't have any acidity. However, it says I can have pineapple juice, which is like the acidity of an orange, but apparently there's stuff in it that helps counteract inflammation. So tires feel kind of low. My turns feel kind of squishy. Like I'm feeling like I'm sliding a little bit. See, and that's why we slow down, because people don't stop right. I don't stop right, but I'm also on a bike, you know, not in a car. If I don't stop right, I still can stop in a hurry, much better than my car, because even though I'm heavy, I'm still light, or a car. Ugh. Ow. Oh my god, I got some air in me. Oh, I feel better. I burped. Oh, I hit the wrong spot there, damn it. See, it's like hard to really get up to speed around here. There's so many intersections, so many stop signs. And like if you notice in my rides, even if there's no stop sign, I tend to slow down at intersections because people don't pay attention around here, and they come flying out of the side streets, and it's so dangerous. There's not a lot of traffic, but what traffic there is tends to be kind of not so safe. So yeah, how it is. See what I mean? He's like, the dude on the bike's going at an angle across the road to make a turn, riding up the wrong side of the damn traffic, just because he wants to go the way I just came from. But like, what the hell, dude? Nice and cool out here. It was like I think it got up to 77 was the high for the day. Like a couple days ago, at like 10 in the morning, it was 92 degrees. I was like, holy shit, dude, it's summer's here? What the hell's going on, man? But then it like cooled down dramatically the next day and got like in the 70s, in the mid 70s, I think. I think it was hot Tuesday and then it cooled off Wednesday. That's so weird. So weird how the weather does that. So that was my ride. I'm heading home now. That was it. That's all I'm doing. That's all I can stand, and I can't stand no more. I was just gonna wait till tomorrow morning and go, but motivational YouTube e-bike videos, you know how it goes if you're an e-bike person or e-scooter or e-anything. Oh man. So I bought this thing. It's called a back pod. It's like this little tiny egg-shaped flat on one side thing. You put it up between your shoulder blades and your middle of your back. You lay down on it, and it stretches your back out, like your ribs. It's supposed to relieve the tension created with where your ribs join up to your breastbone and stuff, and your spine. Get them to stretch out, because that's what causes this costochondritis. One of the side effects of it is that, and it seems to kind of be working. It's supposed to also help you breathe easier, and I've been having really bad shortness of breath for a few days, so hopefully that'll help. Oh my god, that sucked. I did not dismount very well. I just kicked up a rock and it hit somebody's car. So bad. Not my fault though. It's not like I can see a tiny little rock in the road. It's camouflage. It's probably a piece of the road it kicked up anyway. So our minimal 3.5 miles, whatever. That's good. We'll put this thing away now. Yeah. I'm so winded and I didn't even do anything. I just sat on a bike and throttled and talked. This costochondritis shit, it ain't no joke, man. If you even feel like, if you're a viewer of mine and you're having chest pains and you've been going to your doctor and the ER and stuff and they can't tell you what's wrong, have them test you. Have them test you for costochondritis. I can't even fucking stand up, man. Damn. I gotta get my bike put away. Say costochondritis. I think I have the symptoms of costochondritis because you guys keep saying my heart's fine and my lungs are fine. Test me for that, guys. Because even though it's a fairly common condition people get, the doctors won't bring it up for some stupid ass reason. So that might be what's wrong with you if you can't get any other answers. Bring it up at your next appointment you have for your chest pain or whatever. So especially if there's a lot of stress or anxiety and shit in your life, that's a major trigger for it. Just a little PSA for y'all today. Oh, jeez Louise. Oh. Helmet strap got stuck in my beard. No, helmet, you can't have my beard. It's my beard. All right. I'm trying to plug this thing in. I just want to go in the house and collapse. I don't want to deal with this crap right now, but I kind of have to. Gotta keep my bike charged up for when I can ride like a normal human being again. Damn, guys. I'm starting to think this may have been a kind of a mistake because I really am having a hard time breathing right now. And he's like, why are you talking? Because I'm breathing. Alright, guys, I'm just going to do a simple outro. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed. Also, remember to have a wonderful wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next Ebike video. Talk at you later. Bye.